In this video, I'm going to show you how you can refer a friend on Prizepicks. So just Google search for refer a friend Prizepicks and open up the first website that pops up right here. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see where can I find my referral code. You can access your referral invite code by clicking on the Get Cash tab, found on the toolbar along the bottom of your mobile app, or the invite friends link on the top of the right of the browser app. So here, how can my referral code be used when members sign up? So basically, once they sign up, they will need to use your promo code. So promo code, including the PR at the beginning, and they will put in that code. And once they sign up and complete a deposit, you will get a bonus. So here, why my friends used my referral code, but I did not receive a bonus. Why? Your referral has not completed their first deposit yet. Your referral did not enter the code or entered it incorrectly. So make sure that your friend, whoever you are inviting, puts your code correctly in the sign up process. And that's how you invite your friends on Prizepicks. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.